I want to mention one thing. Thank you so much guys for showing so much of love on my videos and on my channel. And yeah, here is a tip that can make your hairstyle look more nice and more cozy. Guys, welcome back to my channel Lady Karma. My name is Anjali and hope you all are doing great and are perfectly fine. So in this video I am going to be showing you some hairstyle for short hair. You probably know I cut my hair short. So if you have not watched that video, then that will be in I button or in the description box below. So you can totally go and watch that, but after watching this video. And that was kind of fun experience. Yeah, so in this video I am going to be showing you some hairstyle, and also I have made some videos on long hairs, so I thought this time as I have short hair, so I can try that. So if you are interested in watching, then keep on watching this video, and before that make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if haven't done yet, and also don't forget to press that bell icon so that whenever I post a video you come to know. And I think without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So we will start by brushing up our hairs. Okay, so we are going to be starting with very simple one. So for that you just need to comb your hair first and then divide it like so. You can see. Take it back. Now just make a part like this and twist this, and after twisting it, take another part like so and add it to the first, and you have to repeat the process. Once you have done twisting, make sure to loosen this a bit and pin it at the back. From the front. And you have it very first hairstyle. That is so simple. You can try this whenever you want, and this is how it looks. So yeah, this is the first hairstyle you can try. That is very quick and very easy. Now moving on to the next style. For the next style, again you have to divide your hairs like previous you did and secure the rest of the hair back. And now you have to take a section again and secure it with a rubber band. Now you have to like make a hole in between like so. Put the hair through this hole. Yeah, it will look something like this, and you have to do the same thing. You have to take your hairs like so and you have to secure it again with a rubber band, and again repeat the same thing. And you have to repeat this process until you reach here. And yeah, so your next hairstyle is ready, and if you want you can try that at this side also. Yeah, so this is how the second hairstyle looks. So this is kind of my favorite. I like it a little colorful. So yeah, you can add multi colors in your hair. And also आप लोग ऐसे जितने भी चाहे उतने ऐसे रबर से ऐसे create कर सकते हो. Or even you can go back till here and like you can do it however you want. So I just gave you an idea that you can try this. So now moving on to the third style. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, you have to divide your hairs into two sections like I have done. So yeah, now what you have to do is you have to part it again, and this time you have to part it from here and make a crown like so. You can like see what I have done basically. So now you have to secure this part with a rubber band. And you have to make a ponytail like this, and you have to do the same thing on this side as well. Now as your two ponytail is ready, you can like leave it like as it is, or you can like divide it into two sections and twist and do the same. And now take a bobby pin and secure it. And yeah, you have to do the same thing on this side. So now two of my ponytail is ready, and you have to take your hairs which was in front and you have to rotate it around this, and with a bobby pin just secure it, or you can secure it with the previous bobby pin you already have in your hair. And yeah, do the same thing here and brush the rest of the hair. And yeah, your hairstyle is ready. Okay, so now moving on to the next hairstyle. Okay, so now moving on to the next style. This is kind of inspired by Shizuka from Doraemon. Yeah, so I am going to be trying that, and let's see how that turns. I am going to be dividing my hairs into two sections to the back, and this will be very easy and very handy hairstyle. You have to just do this much. Secure it with the rubber band. Yeah, so this is the most easiest style that anyone can have, and yeah, it is fun. And yeah, so this is the final look. Okay, so it was the last hairstyle, and it was quite fun and very simple. So all the hairstyles which I have shown you are very simple and you can create it very easily. And also here is a tip that can make your hairstyle look more nice and more cozy. So that is, और वो टिप ये है कि आप अपने बालों को जितना मेसी करोगे वो उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लुक क्रिएट होगा. लाइक you saw the hairstyle with the bun. If you make it little messy, that will look great. And that was the tip, and I hope you like it. And you know what, आप इससे भी थोड़ा सा messy कर सकते हो and this will still look good. So that was all the hairstyle for now. I hope you enjoy the videos. Okay guys, so make sure to like this video and comment down below which one was your favorite. And so my favorite was the one with 2 buns and the colorful ones. Those were my favorites. Actually I like all of them because actually I am enjoying my short hair. तो मुझे तो सारे ही पसंद आए. So yeah, you guys totally can comment down below and I will make sure that I go through all your comments. And also if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do it. It will mean a lot to me. And also don't forget to press the bell icon just right next to it, so whenever I upload a new video you come to know. So I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.